Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with the April Magical Mystery Bead Box from Jesse James Beads. So I did tell you guys that my subscription was up last month for my year subscription. Jesse James Beads reached out and asked if they could send me this month's box, and I said, yep, I would love to show it to you guys. There was a shipping delay because they said that they had a custom component made and it was stuck in customs, and I believe it because I've heard that from so many people. So anyway, this box, oh boy, I just opened it. Oh my gosh, look at the card. This looks awesome. I'm not looking at the box. I'm not trying to see what happened. Somebody on Facebook wrote that they were gonna post pictures of their box today, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna unfollow them until until I do my unboxing because I didn't want to see it. I don't like being spoiled, which is funny because I do these videos and spoil it for some people. But anyway, you guys know I can talk. Animal Instinct. This is such an awesome card. It's bright yellow. Okay, so we have Jungle Explorer Bead Strand, Safari Bead and Shell Set, Into the Wild Focal Tassels, Wild Minis Trio Set, Mountain Adventure Stone Chain, Safari Queen Bead Strand. Hello, I would love to be a Safari Queen myself. A Safari Bead Queen would be even better. Feather Friends Tassel Pair, One with Nature Mini Bead Mix, Radiant Sun Leather Kit. Ooh, 18 inches of European 5mm flat leather and hazelnut imported from Spain. I'm wondering if that's one of the things that was stuck. Magnetic Clasp, Radiant Sun Silver Plated Slider Charm. So here is their design challenge. Oh, if you do your own unboxing video, you receive a $15 gift card. That's pretty cool. Here we go. Let's see what else is in the box, let's see what's in the box. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing is this slider chain. I'm gonna see if I can get my lights to work a little better with me. They're not really working. Let's see here. Okay, so here is the leather, which is a really cool color. It's like it's brown, but it's like a mustard brown. I don't know how to explain it. I really like that color. I don't really have a lot of flat leather. This is the clasp. So you glue the leather in both sides there. And I think it's magnetic, right? I know it might be hard to undo the first time, plus there's like no leverage because I almost had it, because there's nothing like it's holding on to. It's very sleek. I like this design. There we go. Not hard at all. There we go. Love it. Beautiful. And then here's the slider charm. Very cool. I think I would antique this to get that texture to pop up a little bit more. Very cool. I like that. What do we see here? We see a tassel, but okay, so you guys know I don't really like tassels, but I don't like little tassels. I like using bigger tassels that aren't going to fall apart. This is a leather one. It's beautiful. It's very nice. It's suede. Did it say on here? Oh, Feather Friends Tassel Pair. I don't think that's what this is. Into the Wild Focal Tassels? Maybe. I don't know. We'll have to look. I think this yellow card behind me is throwing off the coloring. Yeah. So that's really pretty. And it's got a nice topper. See, like this, I would definitely use. I would love to do like a really long necklace with some turquoise. Of course. Oh my goodness. Crack myself up. What is this? One with Nature Mini Bead Mix, maybe? Or maybe Wild Minis Trio Set? I don't really know what this is. It's just a bunch of bugle beads, which I think are pretty cool in these colors. I don't really use bugle beads. I had them a lot as a kid, and I think I tired myself out and thought that they were, like not that great, but I think I could try some bugle beads. They're in 3 different colors. So one's gold right here, bronze. These are very close to the same color. And then like a silver lined clear. I feel like you just slide this open. I think there's tape closing it, but you slide it open and you can keep them in this cool little container. I like that container. Let's see here. What do we have? Some chain. Mountain Adventure stone chain. Oh my gosh, there's quite a bit of chain in here. It's tiger eye. That's amazing. This is very long. I feel like that's a lot of chain. Let me see if I can find my ruler. Because, you know, I would expect maybe like a foot of this chain. And we have 1 foot, 2, 3. We have almost 4 feet of this chain. That's crazy. That's bananas. And it's really pretty. I don't have any tiger eye chain like that. I'm for sure going to use that. This is something I would always use. That's really great. I love that. Next we have, oh, look at this. It's the standard like Jesse James beads strand, but it's really pretty. I mean, they're all really pretty. That's why we like Jesse James bead strands, right? But this one's called Safari Queen. It's super sparkly. So we have like a coated crystal here. We have a frosted crystal. Ooh, I love these wavy spacer beads. Sorry, my hands are so dry. And we have a nice big crystal rondelle. This is a big hole bead, like almost one of those Pandora style beads. We have some spacers, another like milky crystal. This guy's got some like scales on it. Yeah, this is cool. I like this. It's very sparkly, very bright strand. I love that. And then we have, what is this? Oh, this is the tassel pair, I think. So the Feather Friends tassel pair. Okay, you can see a wild pair of earrings with these. A wild pair of earrings. They kind of freak me out a little bit. I don't know why, because I don't have a problem with feathers. I just feel like they're just really real. I don't know why, but I like them. I think they're in theory really cool looking, but I need to stop touching them. I don't know why. Sorry, guys. They're very neat. They're very neat. I like them. I love that pattern on the tassel. Next, we have another strand. This one is Jungle Explorer. So here's the strand. Sorry, I'm trying to get these lights to... Oh, there we go. That should be a little bit better. So, yeah, this is amazing. It reminds me of like 70s jungle. I'm calling it 70s jungle. It's awesome. I love the ceramic pair right here on the edges. I love the cones and I love those. Look at this bead shape, this crystal shape. Those are cool. And then look at this guy. He's got chain around the middle. These are so cool. I love it. And then we have painted wood beads. And then this guy's the same but different. It's a little bigger. And I like how matte it is. Oh my gosh, this is a cool strand. Not something that I would like pick out myself, but I like this strand. And then we've got some polymer clay hishis. I feel like that's a pretty cool amped up strand right there. And then we have two more things in the box. We have the Safari Bead and Shell set. Let me open this and we can go through it. So let's see here. We have two, these look like giraffe print. Very cool. Oh, the print on that one's a little off. But these are really neat. They're weird, like they're brown green gray, brown, green, gray. Very cool. I like that print. Do you guys see these? These are polymer clay. These are awesome. Too bad there's only 2 of them. I would take a whole strand of these. I guess I can make them, but I'm not that patient. I mean, I am that patient sometimes, but I'm not that patient right now. We have some, these have those like miracle beads on the outside and they're cheetah print. These are pretty cool. I love those. We have 2 smaller, are these tiger print? Yeah, look, they go from silver to white to orange or silver to orange. I love those. 2 more wood beads, but these have the large hole. And then last but not least, we have, oh, like a snake skin. That's neat. Very neat. Ugh, I love that. This is a really cool box. I'm not gonna lie. I really do like this box. Okay, let me see if I can find a real bead tray this time, and we'll go through the last mix, which is a mini mix. Okay, so here is the mini mix, and what is it? One with Nature. I like that name. First thing I'm seeing are these really cute charms, feather charms. What else do we have in here? We have some of these bumpy, sparkly beads. I always like those. That one looks like caramel to me. I'm seeing a couple rings. Are these jump rings or are they just soldered closed? I can't tell. I think they're closed. They're closed rings. Those are cool. Those are really neat. Nice spacers. Some, you don't know, I think these are shell. This oblong bead, and it's got some flash. What do we have here? Oh, look at this guy. Oh, a nice briolette. It's like a bronze glass crystal. We have a flat cut crystal. I would say table cut, but it's not because, well, maybe it is. No, it's not because it's matte on the front. And then we have another one of these briolettes. Some, oh, 2 different shapes here. Those are neat. I love that teardrop. JJB does some good crystals, and I love their metals most of the time too. And then we have some, like a brown ceramic square. We have some copper leaves. Yummy. And you can leave them like that, or you can patina them, give them a green patina. I'm seeing a crystal ball with black. That's pretty cool. More rings. I like it when they give you multiples of some of the things because sometimes you want to use more than one pair. I love these. These are check glass. Oh, those are really cool. Cathedral beads. Oh, some more metal. Oh, they have suns on them. I love those. Those are so cool. This guy's really awesome. Like a melon, ceramic melon. It's still brown, but it's almost so dark that it almost looks black in the grooves. So those are really nice. I'm loving this mix, honestly. Like all the ceramic and the crystals. Jesse James beads up the magical mystery bead box, that's for sure. Another ceramic and another style of crystal. Oh, this one's a briolette. I love these ceramic beads. I'm gonna have to make a bracelet with those. So I'm designing it in my brain right now. Hopefully I remember that I have these beads. And then we have cage beads. And we have a spacer stuck in my cage bead. Let's see if I can rescue that guy. There we go. Pretty easy. And they have black beads in the middle. Those are nice. And a nice copper daisy bead, daisy spacer. We have another briolette. This guy. Love that shape. It's black. And then I'm seeing some smaller rondelles like this. This mix had a lot of cool shapes in it, and then I'm just seeing like doubles of the things that I've already shown you. I don't think I see anything else that's new. Oh, I kid. Some brown crystal bicones. My goodness, this was a jam-packed bead kit. What was my favorite? My favorite, I really like the One with Nature mini bead mix. Now, I think this was a typo because it did say Into the Wild focal tassels, but there's only one tassel. So I think that was just a typo because they had tassels later in the box. Okay, so my favorite things: Into Wild bead mix, or I'm sorry, One with Nature bead mini mix, and these two, and this strand. Oh, and this guy. Those are all my favorites. Although I really love the whole entire box. It is definitely my jam. I just love how this is like 70s to me. I don't know why. Maybe it isn't to some of you, but it really is to me. Let me know what you thought. What was your favorite thing? I'll leave a link below to this bead box and the subscription. And I hope to talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Have a good one. Bye-bye. She is knocked out.